Trick or treat! It's Jess from ColDesi, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super spooky Halloween costume using your Sawgrass Sublimation printer. Costumes are a great way to think outside of the box with your sublimation business. Plus, it's an easy way to increase profits by selling in a set. So for this project, we just have a few products that we're using. We have finishing sheets, a Port Authority document tote in the color white. We have the Vapor Apparel Youth Solar t-shirts and their long sleeve. And we're also using Beaver Tex-Print paper in the size 13 by 19. So first we're going to decorate our tote bag here. And just a few notes about this, I do have a finishing sheet and a heat press pad placed in between the tote bag. It is a polyester tote bag, but it does also have a coating inside. So with the high temperatures of sublimation, it could cause some melting. So we're just taking some precautions here. And you will also want to make sure that you tuck the handles underneath just to keep it away from pressing. So I'm going to take my skull here and I'm going to place it face down on the tote bag, and I'm just going to line it up to what I think is best here. And I'm going to take my finishing sheet right here, place it right on top. And you will want to be gentle when you're pushing this platen in, just because I did not use any tape, so it could shift. Now the timer's up. We're going to slowly pull this platen out, remove the top finishing sheet here, and then I'm just going to remove this transfer. And now we have our completed tote bag. All right, so now we're going to work on the sleeves, and I did just tuck the rest of the shirt underneath the platen so that the arm is the only part that's going to be pressed. So I've got one of the arms here, and I'm going to place it down. This one's not going to be centered because of the way it falls on the t-shirt, so I'm just going to move it over to what I think is best. And we also don't want it to be too close up to the armpit of the shirt. Again, we'll take a finishing sheet right on top, and we'll carefully press it. Okay, time is up. There we have our first arm, and we're just going to do the same thing on the other sleeve. Next we have our torso. It's about the size of mine, and we're going to place it on our Vapor t-shirt, also lining it up. Add a finishing sheet on top and gently push it into the heat press with your sleeves tucked under. Take the finishing sheet right off top. And here's our finished shirt. So this is just another fun way to use your sublimation printer this Halloween season. And with sublimation, you can create fun DIY projects like this in the comfort of your own home. So if you want to find any of the products we used here in this video, visit ColemanandCompany.com. Thanks for watching.